Today I will teach you how to allow pop-ups on a specific website in Firefox. First of all, open Firefox and click the menu button. It's in the upper right corner of the Firefox window. Then click Select Setting. This button is in the bottom of the drop-down menu. Then select the Privacy and Security tab. It's on the left panel. Then scroll down and check the box beside Block Pop-ups window. Click on Exceptions. Open a dialog box with the list of sites that you want to allow to display pop-ups. Click Allow and click Save Change. Now, please like this video, subscribe our channel, press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.